If I'm using another GHL CRM, oh, hold on. Can I port over everything, including my phone numbers and A2B completed already? Yes, you can. So we had this question in another meeting. Here's, and I'll just kind of give the overview. So there's other GHL CRMs out there, and it's very easy to transfer over all of your data, including your A2P compliance status as well, as long as your phone numbers and all of your data. What it requires is for your current agency owner, or your current owner of the CRM that you have, to release your data. So if you're with any of the other CRMs out there that are Go High Level Build, what you'll need to do, and we first send us an email saying, hey, I have this CRM, it's a Go High Level Build, I want to migrate over to yours. We will give you what's called our relationship number. Basically, it's an ID number that is ours and that Go High Level needs in order to migrate the data. You would then have to go to your current CRM owner and say, hey, I want to switch over. I need you to release my data. Here's the relationship number that you'll need. All they have to do is enter in that relationship number into a certain settings in their agency settings with their CRM. And then we would get a request to receive your data. We hit yes, and then it's done. The whole process might take 15 minutes. I mean, it's incredibly easy. Here's the only thing with it is with the terms of service, we can't force anyone to release your data. So if you want to come to us and you go to your current provider for your CRM that's a Go High Level Build and say, hey, I want my data released, and they say no, we don't have any sort of legal grounds to do anything with that, because technically they're the owner of it. We can't force them. The other option to that would to manually rebuild what you have. Now, if you haven't done much with your current CRM, which we're finding that is the case with a lot of people, shouldn't be that hard. It will take time though. If you have done quite a bit, then we will have to work something out where we put a virtual assistant that can help with migrating over your data manually. And then you would have to do phone numbers, A2P, all of that. So just to let you guys know from our standpoint, if there's another Go High Level Build that you want to call home and you don't like what we're doing, we will not be a stumbling block to you. If you come to us and say, hey, I want you to release our data, we'll say, hey, cool. We really want you guys to be successful. And if there's somewhere else that you feel like you can have that success, totally fine. We're not going to hold your data hostage. We'll always say yes, and we will do that in a timely manner. So that's our policy as business owners of this. But it's up to the other people that you currently have a different Go High Level Build with for them to have that same policy. So we can't guarantee it. So I know that was a long-winded answer, but I just want to make that ultra clear. It's very easy. If the other person will play ball, if they don't, then we'll have to manually do it.
Can I add one little piece to that, Nathan, too?
Go for it.
This is a way I would look at this, you guys, with other Go High Level white labels that you guys might be a part of. Think about it the same way you think about your FMO needing to release you to go to another FMO. It's very similar. The only difference is there's no self-release process if they refuse to release you. So you can kind of think about it like that. It's very easy for an FMO to release your contracts. They just have to be willing to do that. And same is true with other administrators of other Go High Level systems. And so it's very easy for them to do. It's very possible, but they have to be willing to do it. And we never really know if they're going to do it. We can't make them do it, but just kind of think about it like that. It's like releasing your contracts.